An electron moves on a straight line path xy as shown. The ABCD, this is one of the electron. It is moving in a straight line in the xy plane. The ABCD is a coil adjacent to the path of electron. What will be the direction of current, if any, induced in the coil? Then we know here some of the important points here, Daksh. As electron travels from point X to point Y, the magnetic flux associated with the coil ABCD, which is directed into the page, while initially rise and then fall as the electron moves past. Consequently, the induced current in the coil will initially flow counterclockwise, then change direction to clockwise as the electron progresses past the coil. Then we can see the option no current induced ABCD, ADCB. The current will reverse its direction as the electron goes past the coil. Yes, option D is the right answer.